Our temperatures go all the way over 90 by this afternoon. A far cry from where we are right now. It's actually quite pleasant outside. 60s, even a few 50s in rural areas at the moment. But that's where we're headed today. And again, tomorrow we probably reach that 90-degree mark. And also, this is kind of similar to summertime. You might remember this is more common during the summer months where we get these air quality alerts due to higher ozone levels expected. And it's usually when we get light winds, sunshine, and really warm temperatures when we get a setup where there's these air quality alerts. So Harris County to Galveston County, Brazoria County, officially under those air quality alerts today. TCEQ says the air could be in the unhealthy for some range with the ozone levels going up today. So that means people with heart and lung disease or seniors and young children could potentially be impacted if you spend too much time outside with those higher ozone levels. Doesn't mean you just need to totally dodge the outdoors today, but just keep that in mind if you're sensitive to that type of thing. It could affect you. Into the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Tammy, which is going to be impacting some of the islands there in the eastern or northeastern part of the Caribbean Sea. Then it curls off into the middle of the ocean. We have Hurricane Norma right here, which is off the coast of western Mexico. That will likely send moisture into Texas starting this weekend just in the form of clouds, but then next week more so in the form of some rain. Also, that's going to combine with Gulf moisture moving back in, and that's why we see several days in a row with rain back in our forecast. It all starts on Monday. In the meantime, rain will hold off for a few more days. Over the next 7 days altogether, it's again that stream of moisture from the Pacific and the Gulf that's going to get funneled right up through the middle part of the country. That's where you see some of the heaviest rain totals. In North Texas, there could be 2 to 3 to even 4 inches in some areas, more so around 1 to 2 in the central part of the state, and about ½ an inch to an inch expected here locally. And again, that's on average. Doesn't mean everyone's going to get that much. Dry for a couple of days, low humidity at least today and tomorrow with those highs a little over 90. It's going to cool off nicely during the nighttime. You'll notice the mugginess going up a little bit on Sunday, but then we're just locked into a really humid pattern next week. We'll see breezy winds out of the south from the Gulf, keeping the humidity high, which is why the nighttime temperatures don't go any lower than the low 70s. We'll be in the 80s during the day. Rain will be kind of hit and miss throughout much of the week. Rain chances starting Monday, lasting right into the following weekend.